This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mix GNC weight gainer. First, ensure you have your specific GNC weight gainer product ready. Next, prepare your mixing vessel, such as a shaker bottle or blender, along with your preferred liquid. It's important to check the product label for the suggested serving size, which usually indicates how many scoops to use per serving. This initial step sets you up for a perfectly blended and effective shake. When preparing your shake, selecting the right liquid is key. Many people opt for water for a lighter shake, while milk, like whole or almond milk, adds extra calories and creaminess. You can also use juice for a different flavor profile. Most GNC weight gainers suggest 1 to 2 scoops per serving. For optimal consistency, start with about 12 to 16 ounces of liquid, adjusting to achieve your preferred thickness. For a quick and easy mix, a shaker bottle with a wire whisk ball is highly effective. Simply add your liquid first, then the powder, and shake vigorously for about 30 to 60 seconds until smooth. If you prefer a blender, combine liquid and powder, then blend on medium speed. For an even better experience, consider adding a few ice cubes or some fresh fruit to enhance both temperature and taste. The best times to enjoy your GNC weight gainer shake are typically after your workout to aid muscle recovery or between meals to boost your daily calorie intake. Depending on your specific fitness goals and dietary needs, you might aim for 1 to 3 servings throughout the day. Remember to always consult the product's nutritional information for precise guidance. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.